Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Moonpay application. So if you are thinking about using Moonpay in order to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, let's take a closer look at its features, fees and user experience to help you decide if it is the right choice for you in 2025 or not. So Moonpay is a platform that allows you to buy, sell and swap cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. It basically supports over 80 cryptocurrencies and offer various payment methods including credit cards, bank transfer and even PayPal. Now here are some of the features of Moonpay that you need to consider, like you can use credit cards, bank transfer, PayPal and other payment method in order to purchase crypto. Moonpay also supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, as I said earlier, including the popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The platform is also designed to be very easy to use and it is also very easy even for beginners. While Moonpay offers convenience, it is important to be aware of the fee structure as well. Like for the credit card payment, you need to pay 4.5% fee with the minimum of $3.99. If you use the bank transfer option, then you need to pay 1% fee with the minimum of $3.99. And for selling crypto, you need to pay 1% fee with the minimum of $3.99. So these fees are higher as compared to some other platforms. So consider this when making the transaction. Now let's talk about the user experiences with Moonpay. So there are some users that find the platform very easy to use and appreciate the variety of cryptocurrencies available. Others have reported some issues with the transaction, such as the funds not being returned after a deposit. Or it's important to be cautious and ensure that you understand the platform's terms and conditions correctly. Now, Moonpay uses the AES 256 encryption and complies with PCI DSS and ISO 27001 standards, indicating a strong commitment to security. However, there are some users that have reported challenges with the customer support, so it is advisable to be aware of this when you are using this platform. Now, Moonpay offers a convenient way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with various payment options. However, it is important to be aware of the higher fees and mixed user experiences. And these user experiences I was able to find on their application section. So always do your own research and consider your options carefully before using any of the platforms. If you want me to create a detailed tutorial on how you can get started with Moonpay, how you can basically buy crypto, so you can do let me know that in the comment section. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.